Hello, my name is David Faure and I work for KDAB. Welcome to part 6 of the series Gamma Ray for Qt widgets. In this video, you will learn how to find the slot that is connected to a Qt action. In the previous video, we saw how to find out where is the code that shows a Qt menu, but from there, we can't really find the code associated with an action because the menu paints all of the menu in one go. It's not like every action is a sub-widget, so we can't use the widgets module to find more about this. Instead, we are going to start Gamma Ray again, and this time we'll go to the Actions module. In this module, all of the actions show up, and we can filter for a bit of text that shows in the action text. If we are interested in swap with clipboard contents, then we can start typing here swap with, and we find the action. From here, we can switch to the Objects module to find more about this action, and in particular, we can see where it was created with the usual stack trace tab. Very good. The action was created by some action collection, which was called from our code here, Ktext editor, and there we are. The action is created on this line, and it is connected to the slot swap with clipboard. So if we do F2, we end up with the actual definition of the code that is being called when the user is invoking the action. That's what we were looking for. Navigating in an unknown code base with Gamma Ray is really too easy. I hope this video was useful. To get more KDAB videos, subscribe to our channel, and you will be informed about our releases of videos on Qt and QML and 3D and C++ and Qt widgets.